Hi, hello friends. I welcome you all back to my channel Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com, and today I am here with one simple and quick recipe, that is roasted almonds and roasted cashews. How to make roasted almonds and roasted cashews. So for that we need a bowl full of salt here. This is plain salt, ordinary salt what we are using for the cooking. And I have taken one full bowl of cashews here, one full bowl of almonds here, and one half a cup of water. So before starting to roast the almonds and the cashews, we are going to do one simple procedure with the help of these things. I have taken a bowl here. Now I am going to add the almonds. Now with this I am going to add some water into this, and I am going to add half a tablespoon of salt to this. So we got to mix this nicely, and we will rest this for 5 to 10 minutes. Now I have mixed salt and water in this. Half tablespoon of salt went in this, and a little bit of water went into this. I mixed all this nicely, and we have to rest this for 5 to 10 minutes. The same procedure I am going to do for the cashews also. Again I have taken one bowl full of cashews I have taken here, and with this I am going to add some water to it, and again half a tablespoon of salt I am going to add in this. Now mix this nicely as we did for the almonds also. Now this also I have mixed nicely with some water and some salt. Now these two we are going to keep aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Till that we will take a pan here. And we will add the salt that we have kept. One bowl full of salt we are going to roast in that salt only. So I am going to add the salt here in this. Now we are going to heat up this salt for 5 to 10 minutes. No, for 5 minutes only. That is enough. So only the plain salt we are going to keep in medium flame, and we are going to heat up this. I have heated the salt for 5 minutes here. Now I am going to add the almonds first. We have to drain off the water, excess water that you can see in this. Drain off the excess water from this and add only the almonds. Now as you can see, there is no water here. I have drained all the water. Now we are going to add in this and roast it nicely in the salt itself. Keep the flame in low for about 5 to 6 minutes. You have to fry these almonds in the slow flame itself. Don't keep the flame in high. Got to sort this. Now see how the badam has been roasted up. It's roasted nicely, and I am getting one nice aroma from this. Now full 5 to 6 minutes I have roasted this. There is no water itself here. As you can see this, it's dried. You have to keep the flame in low or medium heat. Don't keep the flame in high. Now it has been roasted. Now I'm going to take little by little. I'm going to take out the excess salt from this. I'm going to take only the almonds. Take out the excess salt through this filter. If you have big filter, put it in one itself. As I have small filter, I'm doing it 2 times. Nicely it will come off. All the salt will come off. Only the badam will remain. Almonds will remain. And this filter, roasted almonds. Now I have taken it in a plate. As you can see, there is no salt itself, but it is roasted almonds. It tastes very good. The aroma is also very good. The same way we are going to do for the cashews only. Use the same salt that we fried for badam. Now for the cashews, I have taken the same salt. As it is heated only, I am going to add the cashews. Again drain all the water and add just the cashews. Drain all the excess water that we have mixed and kept and add only the cashews. This also should be roasted nicely as I have shown for the badam, the almonds. Keep in medium flame and then come to low flame. Roast it for about 6 to 7 minutes again. Before adding the salt and water, the cashews and the almonds were smaller in size. But after we soaked up, it has become double in size. You can see that. It will be so lovely to eat. Please do try. And if you go for the roasted almonds and the cashews or pista or whatever it is, they will charge more outside, but you can just buy it plainly. The unroasted cashews, you can do it at home like this itself, and then you can store it in a box, airtight jar. It has come up very nicely, and the aroma I am getting so beautiful. Aroma I can smell. Slow down the flame. You can use this salt again and again for anything, for baking cakes, for roasting peanuts also you can do like this. All the dry fruits you can do like this. Now it has come to a nice color. You can see this. So lovely it is. It has taken only 5 to 6 minutes only. After 6 minutes I have turned the flame as it has come to a nice color. Now I am going to filter as we did for the almonds. Then I will serve it in a plate. Just keep a plate underneath, and with the help of this filter I have taken that, and I am going to take off all the salt by using this filter, and only the cashews we are going to take. I have served this in a plate. The cashews has changed its color, so good, and the badams also look very good. Children will almost like this if you get roasted up healthy things like this. So when it becomes cool only you got to eat. Don't take it hot. It will not be that much of crunchy. When it becomes cool, it will be crunchy and yummy. So please do try it at home. Like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Till then, it's bye from Chop and Choose Kitchen at bakes.com. Have a nice day. Thank you.